Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com, and today we are solving the book exercise, the exercise of the chapter name is conjunction. Okay, so let's start the video and solve all the book exercise of this chapters. So you can see here first exercise of the chapter that was the showing on your mobile screen. So first question is fill in the blanks with the suitable coordinating conjunction. I know very well the what is the means of coordinated conjunction. You have to learn it already. So let's start and know the solve the book exercise. First option is the girl is studious. Okay, blanks, she is nervous. So you have to feel here but. Okay, you can feel here but. Clear? So coordinating conjunction is a but, and you can feel and complete the sentence. Second is I wanted to buy a basket of fruits. So you have to feel here a and d and. Okay, and a sack of rice. Clear? Here is the coordinating conjunction. Now next is Monisha dash I have made a plan to visit the zoo. So you have to feel here a and d. Okay, and. Clear? The coordinating conjunction will be and. Fourth option is father wants to paint the barn door teal dash sky blue. So you have to feel here ORR. Okay, I think you know very well which is the conditional, additional, and the constant coordinating conjunction. So here that was the important, that was the need of the conjunction used here. You have to feel it. Okay, now fifth option is we should plant some of the sampling. Okay, we should plant some of the sampling dash we should not plant them in pot. So here is the showing the sampling and we should not plant them. So we can use here the reasoning word, that will be the but. Okay, use the but, but word. Clear? Now sixth option is my little sister enjoys watching film dash she often fall asleep in the middle of them. Okay, so you can see here the coordinating conjunction is a coordinating conjunction word will be here 8. Okay, YET 8. So you have to feel it 8 conjunction word and complete the sentence properly. Now next is seventh option I was tired dash I lay down briefly. So you have to feel here so conjunction word. Okay, so the sentence will be I was tired so I lay down briefly. Now next option number 8, my employers like me dash they are always supportive. So you have to feel FOR for. Okay, my employees like me for they are always supportive. Now ninth option is my father does not like carrots. Okay, dash does he like beans. So you can feel here the word nor, NOR. Okay, it is the coordinating conjunction. Clear? So you can feel here the word nor. Now 10th option is the heater wasn't working dash the children huddled around the fireplace reading storybook dash drinking hot cocoa. Okay, so you can feel here there are given two blanks. In the first you can feel the word so. Okay, in the first you can feel the word so, and in the second you have to write down while. Okay, so both is the conjunction word, and what kind of the conjunction? It is the coordinating conjunction. Now next option number 11, she might drink tea dash coffee dash I will have a cold drink. So in the first blanks you can feel the word or. Okay, or coffee. Okay, you will, it is the optional conjunction. You will select any one of two options, so you can use here or. Okay, and in the second blanks you can fill the word but. Okay, but I will have a so the sentence will be, she might drink tea or coffee, but I will have a cold drink. Clear? Now last option is you must practice regularly dash, you will not be selected. So in this blanks you can fill the word else. Okay, else. So your sentence will be, you must practice regularly, else you will not be selected. Now next your next exercise is join these sentences using suitable conjunction. Follow the example. So you can see here given two sentences, two pairs of sentences, and use the sentences, make a use the conjunction word and make a single sentence. So let's start and join the sentences by using the conjunction word. Okay, so first is the I spoke softly, and second is he heard me clearly. You can add both sentences by using the conjunction word. So you can use here conjunction word as a add, and your sentence will be, I spoke softly and he heard me clearly. Clear? So you will use the conjunction word add and join both sentences. Now second option is, mother was exhausted after work, she took a nap. Okay, so you will feel here the conjunction word so. Okay, so is the correct conjunction word that join the both sentences. Your sentence will be, mother was exhausted after work, so she took a nap. Okay, took a nap. Now second question is third option is, look here, the apple's pie was slightly burnt, and second sentence is, the apple pie was still yummy. And you will add this sentence by using the conjunction word but, and your sentence will be, the apple pie was slightly burnt but still yummy. Okay, but still yummy. Okay, you will add this sentence by using the but conjunction. Now fourth option is, she did not weep. It is the first sentence, and she did not beg. It is the second sentence, and you can add it by the compound conjunction, and your sentence will be, neither wept nor did she beg. Your sentence will be, neither wept nor did she beg. Okay, and your sentence will be a single sentence. Okay, now fifth option is, the residents went to meet the mayor. Second sentence is, he refused to see them. Adding this sentence is by using the but conjunction. Okay, but but, and your sentence will be, the residents went to meet the mayor but he refused to see them. Okay, so you will write down it. Now next option number 6. First sentence is, Anjali is a gifted dancer, and second sentence is, Anjali is a magician. So you will add both sentences by using the additional conjunction. Okay, so your sentence will be, Anjali is a gifted dancer and magician. Okay, by using the and conjunction, and you will add both are the word with a join with a single word and. Okay, and your sentence will be, Anjali is a gifted dancer and musician. Now seventh option is, there are given two sentences. First is, the designer was tired, and second sentence is, she still went back to her drawing. So you will add this sentence by using the add conjunction. Okay, and your sentence will be, the designer was tired. Okay, the designer was tired at she went back. Okay, at she went back to her drawings. Okay, now eighth option is, I heard her go up the stairs. Second sentence, I heard her enter the room. Okay, they are common subject and common verb. So you will add this sentence by the additional conjunction. Okay, and your additional conjunction will be a and d, and your sentence will be, I heard her to go up the stairs and enter the room. Clear? Now ninth option is I don't like exercise, I don't like yoga. So you will add this sentence by using the conjunction word neither. I neither like exercise nor yoga. Neither exercise nor yoga. Okay. Now 10th option is Tina is learning Latin. Tina is learning French. So you can use the additional conjunction and your sentence will be Tina is learning Latin and French. Okay. So this is the complete your exercise. Now exercise number B. Exercise number B. So first you can see here is the given two column. First column match with the second column. Okay. So first is the I could not attend the function. Okay. And you will add it option number D. Okay. As my mother was unwell. Okay. Second option is I found the purse and it will be matched with the option number B. Okay, it is the same sentence. I found the purse where I had dropped it. Okay. Now third option is after we finished lunch, and you will match the third option with the option number you can see here G. Okay. You will match it the option number G, and the sentence will be after we finish lunch, let's prune the bushes. Okay. And the fourth option is Janki asked me. Janki asked me, and it match with the option number H. Okay. Option number H, and the sentence will be Janki asked me if I liked her dress. Okay. And fifth option is she has not called up. She has not called up, and it match with the option number C since she left for the hotel. Okay. Now sixth option is I sent her an email, and it match with option number J. Okay. As soon as I got the news. Okay. Now seventh option is although he ran to the bus stop, and it match with the option number A. Okay. He missed the first bus. Clear? Now eighth option is I believed, and it match with the option number I, that he is hard working. And 9 is math with the option number E, and your sentence will be it is not so heavily that we had to postpone our trip. Okay. And last match will be the option number F. Okay. And your sentence will be we reached the auditorium after the chief guest had left. Okay. I hope you all understand this. Now next is exercise number C. Question is identify the conjunction in these sentences and state whether they are coordinating, subordinating and correlative conjunctions. Okay. So first statement you can see on your screen. First is neither Rajiv nor Sefali has applied for the post. Okay. So first you identify the conjunction word. So you can see in the first sentence the neither word is the conjunction word, and here the also state it is the coordinating, subordinating and correlative. So first is the in the first sentence you can underline the word neither, and it is the correlative conjunction. So write down in front of the statement correlative conjunction. Okay. Now second statement I as well as my friend have a ticket for the show. So first you underline the word as well as. Okay. Underline the word as well as, and it is the coordinating conjunction. Okay. It is the you can see here the spelling of coordinating conjunction. Okay. And in the third, if you love poetry, you will love Mrs. Bhattacharya's class. Okay, so underline the word if, and here is the conjunction is use subordinating. Okay, so you have to write down in front of the statement subordinating conjunction. Okay, now fourth option is either. You can see here the simply underline the statement word either is the conjunction word, but what kind of the conjunction? It is the coordinating conjunction. So spelling of coordinating conjunction you can see on your questions statement. So let's next option is fifth, and here is the question: we are organizing a school fete so that we may raise some funds. So underline the word so. Okay, underline the word so. It is the conjunction word, and what kind of the conjunction? It is the subordinating conjunction. So you can see the spelling of subordinating conjunction. Okay, so sixth statement is I asked her whether she was ready for the responsibility. So underline the word whether. It is the conjunction word, and what kind of the conjunction? It is also a subordinating conjunction. So underline the whether and write in front of the statement subordinating conjunction. Okay, now statement number 7: as he was not present at that time, he know nothing. Okay, so underline the word as. Okay, underline the word as, and what kind of the conjunction as? It is the subordinating conjunction. Okay, subordinating conjunction. Now eighth statement is not only is Jay a great orator, but he is also a good singer. So underline the word not only. It is the conjunction word, but what kind of the conjunction? It is the coordinating conjunction. Okay, coordinating conjunction. Clear? Now ninth option is the sky was clear but it was extremely humid. So underline the word but, and it is the also a coordinating conjunction. So write in front of the statement coordinating conjunction. Now 10th option no sooner. Okay, no sooner. So it is the conjunction word, and what kind of the conjunction? It is the same as a coordinating conjunction. So underline the word no sooner and write in front of the statement coordinating conjunction. Okay, now look the exercise number D. Join these sentences with the suitable conjunction. So you can see here there are given two sentences. Read the sentence carefully and then join it with the proper conjunction words. Okay, so first you can see here is the given sentences. I believe in the importance of hard work. My parents believe it too. Okay, so first you write down here the sentences my parents. Okay, my parents, and remove this word and write down here and. Okay, my parents and I. Okay, my parents and I believe in the importance of hard work. Okay, the sentence will join with the conjunction word and your sentence will be my parents and I believe in the importance of hard work. Clear? I hope you all understand. Now second is Ananya and her friends are going to birth watching this Sunday. Full stop. They still need to buy a pair of binocular. Okay, so after the Sunday you remove the full stop, and in place of full stop you have to write down the conjunction but. Okay, word but. Okay, but is the conjunction word that the join the both sentences as a properly. So use the but and make the proper sentence. Clear? And your sentence is the clear. Now third is the I am tall, my father is taller. So here is the comparison between the two persons. So you can write down here I am tall but my father is taller than me. Okay, taller than me. Clear? Increase this word and make the proper sentence. Clear? Now fourth option is my new jeans were too colorful. Okay, my new jeans were too colorful. I gave them to my younger brother. So you can use here conjunction word as a therefore. Okay, So after colorful, in place of full stop, you can write down the word therefore. Okay, I think you know very well about the meaning of spelling of therefore. Okay, therefore. Okay, therefore. After write the therefore, you can write the next sentences. Okay, I gave them to my younger brother. Okay, this is the fourth option, and now remaining option number fifth, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, you will do it at your home with the carefully using the conjunction. Okay, I hope you all understand all the exercises, and remaining exercise, that was the option number 5, 6, 7, 8. You will do it at your home and also complete it in your PC copy. Okay, after the opening the school, I will check your this exercise. Okay, so thank you for the watching video. Bye.